Hello everyone. I wanted to go live today to not tell you that anything's growing because we're getting there, but we don't see quite anything yet. I mean, if you look really closely, they're starting to, but I mean, only if you're like a really excited mom like I am that you can actually see anything. But one of the things I really wanted to say is the things that sprouts or our new little seeds need is heat. So when you have the lights that are like way out here, because you can essentially make these however. So if they're like way out here and you can't see, that's not going to give you the heat. So what I learned and I've found out, which is really important, is to make sure that they're up and curved and you have pretty equal distance on the whole inside of the tower garden, so it's actually pushed way in. So you get some warmth on the little seeds to have them start growing a little bit faster and better. So this is what my alien looks like now that it's growing. The plants, I would say the lights don't go past the edge of the regular tower garden. So that's just a tip on your garden. So happy gardening to all of your amazing gardeners. And I looked up today and I think we got like 14 and a half inches here in Arvada, and close, the neighboring town in where Coors is brewed, and that is, oh my God, I just blanked on it. Of course I did. Do you know where Coors is brewed? Well, they got 22 and a half inches out there. I went out there today. That would be Golden, Colorado. I remembered it. So really close. Again, so your lights are really close. Don't have them way out. Have them nice and close so your sprouts are happier and nice and warm. All right? Have a great day and have an amazing Thanksgiving.